MagSafe is a series of proprietary magnetically attached power connectors, originally introduced by Apple Incorporated on January 10, 2006, in conjunction with the MacBook Pro at the Macworld Expo in San Francisco, California. The connector is held in place magnetically so that if it is tugged for example, by someone tripping over the cord it will pull out of the socket without damaging the connector or the computer power socket, and without pulling the computer off the surface on which it is located. MagSafe works similarly to the magnetic power connectors that many deep fryers and Japanese countertop cooking appliances from the early 2000s have in order to avoid spilling their dangerously hot contents. Apple owns U.S. patent number 7311526 and does not license the MagSafe connector or the patent. Features: MagSafe has connector pins that are designed so the rectangular connector can be inserted in either orientation. LEDs on both the top and bottom of the connector show green if the computer battery is fully charged and amber or red if the battery is charging. MagSafe can be found on the MacBook, MacBook Pro and MacBook Air notebook computers, as well as the Apple LED Cinema display. The MacBook and the 13-inch MacBook Pro use a 60W MagSafe charger, whereas the 15 and 17-inch MacBook Pro use an 85W MagSafe charger. The MacBook Air has a lower-powered 45W version of the MagSafe adapter. The power brick is smaller, but the MagSafe connector is the same as on the 60W and 85W chargers. Apple has made it clear that an adapter with the same or higher wattage than originally provided may be used without problems. Apple also offers a MagSafe Airline Adapter for use on certain compatible airplanes. It has a DC input and will power the computer, but will not charge the battery. Some Apple desktop displays include a MagSafe connector which allows charging of Apple laptops. MagSafe 2 On June 11, 2012, a thinner MagSafe 2 connector was announced at Apple's 2012 Worldwide Developers Conference. It was manufactured, reportedly, simply in order to fit the new MacBook Pro 15-inch with Retina display, as well as the updated line of MacBook Air. It also has a new connector shape based on the original one. Apple sells a MagSafe to MagSafe 2 converter to allow use of older-style MagSafe adapters with newer Apple laptops. Pin-out: the MagSafe connector pins allow for the adapter to be inserted in opposite orientations. The first and second pins on each side of the tiny central pin have continuity with their mirror pins. The inner large pins are V+. Measuring with no load will give 6.86 VDC for MagSafe and about 3 VDC for MagSafe 2. The full voltage is provided after a 40 kΩ load is applied for 1 second. The outer large pins are 0V. The tiny center pin is a data pin using the one-wire protocol. The computer uses this pin to change the leader unregistered trademark S color and retrieve the serial number and wattage of the power supply. Only 2 wires power and ground go to the charger unit. There is no data communication via the adapter sense pin with the charger unit itself. The maximum voltage supplied is as follows: 14.5 VDC for the 45W unit supplied with MacBook Air, 16.5 VDC for the 60W unit supplied with MacBook and 13 inches MacBook Pro, 18.5 VDC for the 85W unit supplied with 15 and 17 MacBook Pro, 20 VDC for the 85W unit supplied with 15 MacBook Pro Retina. The rectangular metal shroud surrounding the pins has no electrical function. Rather, it acts as shielding for the electrical pins and a ferrous attractor for the magnet in the laptop. Third-party products: although Apple does not license the MagSafe connector for use in third-party products, manufacturers have devised a workaround. Their MagSafe items use the actual connector from Apple's AC adapter, grafted onto their own product. Since this use is an actual Apple product, purchased legally, manufacturers believe that no licensing agreements are needed and the patents are not violated. However, in 2010 Apple still sued one such manufacturer, Sano Corporation, for selling its very popular HyperMac battery extension products which Apple claimed violated their patents. Sano has since ceased to sell a connector cable for the HyperMac series of external batteries. Apple's MagSafe Airline Adapter cable can power an Apple notebook computer from a 12V DC power source, but will not charge the battery. Apple has not sold a product with this capability, and in the past has discouraged other manufacturers from producing such a product. Defects. Many users have reported problems with the quality of the construction of the MagSafe cords, giving the product low marks on the Apple Store's website. Common complaints include plug separating from the cord, transformer shorting, and pin springs losing elasticity. Several methods have been devised to protect the MagSafe from failure, including wrapping the cable with tape or sliding protective plastic around the cable. In 2008, Apple posted an official response acknowledging problems with MagSafe adapters, which include incomplete circuit connection and adapter's white insulation separating from the magnetic end of the MagSafe connector. Following the release of a knowledge base article, a class action lawsuit was filed on May 1, 2009, in the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California San Jose office, alleging that the MagSafe power adapter is prone to frayed wires and overheating, and as such represents a fire hazard. Apple has since released a new connector to remedy the defects. There had been a variety of reports of the newer MagSafe AC adapter not working with older MagSafe-powered MacBooks and MacBook Pros. Apple released a firmware update in October 2010 that it claims resolves this issue. However, the installer for the firmware update will not run on certain older MacBooks, which means that the firmware cannot be updated. This, in turn, means that it is not possible to use the new MagSafe power adapter with these MacBooks. Since mid-2010, it is not possible to buy new replacement MagSafe AC adapters that work with these MacBooks, forcing owners to look for used original adapters. In 2011, Apple posted a support document about the strain relief problems with the NPM1 style MagSafe power cables, and issued settlement offer for buyers of Apple 60W or 85W MagSafe NPM1 adapter within the first 3 years of purchase. Earlier power systems, before MagSafe, Apple laptop computers used a shell and socket pin arrangement, or coaxial power connector. The iBook series introduced a charger that resembled a mini stereo plug with an additional metal ring. The first puck-shaped iBook chargers simply had a silver plug body, but the square white chargers introduced a color-changing illuminated ring that indicated charging status. Tripping on an iBook cord or yanking the cord out at an angle could bend the spring contacts inside the connector or break the solder pads under the connector, resulting in a laptop that would fail to charge when connected to the cord, or would only charge if the inserted plug were propped up or pushed down at an angle. An especially forceful yank could flare the outer flange or even break the tip of the power plug. Replacing a damaged DC board in an early 12-inch G3 iBooks typically involved an expensive 50-step disassembly of the laptop. Gallery. References. External links, MacBook Pro. Ars Technica, part of the Ars Technica review of the MacBook Pro dedicated to the MagSafe connector. Where are the MagSafe adapters for cars and airplanes? ZDNET. MagSafe. Apple Incorporated.